In this video, I'll guide you through how to target HVAC companies with Facebook ads. If you're promoting a product or service for HVAC businesses, such as marketing services, software, equipment, or another business solution, creating a targeted audience can help your ads reach the right professionals. Instead of advertising to everyone, you can build a saved audience inside Facebook Ads Manager and reuse it whenever you launch a new campaign. Start by opening Facebook Ads Manager and going to the main dashboard. From the menu on the left, click on Audiences. You'll see several audience options available, and the one you want is Create Saved Audience. This allows you to build a custom audience that you can easily select again in future advertising campaigns without repeating the setup process. Begin by giving your audience a descriptive name that makes it easy to recognize later. After that, choose the location you want to target. For example, if your offer is only intended for HVAC companies in a specific state, select that state as your location. Keeping your targeting limited to the areas you serve can improve the relevance of your ads. As you continue through the audience settings, you'll notice Facebook encourages the use of Advantage Plus Audience. This feature relies on Facebook's AI to automatically expand and optimize your targeting. While that can be useful, you can still switch to the original audience options if you want more manual control. To do that, switch into the Advantage Plus Audience view, then return to the original audience options. This will make the detailed targeting section available. Now you can begin adding demographics, interests, and professional categories related to HVAC businesses. Useful examples include HVAC, HVAC technician, HVAC contractor, HVAC installer, heating and air conditioning systems, heating systems, ventilation, refrigeration, and other closely related occupations or industries. As you continue adding relevant targeting options, Facebook will update the estimated audience size. Keep an eye on that audience estimate while you build your list. If the audience is too small, continue adding additional HVAC-related job titles and interests until you reach a size that provides enough reach for your campaign while remaining relevant to your target market. Once you're satisfied with the audience you've created, click Create Saved Audience. Facebook will save it to your account, allowing you to select it quickly whenever you create a new advertising campaign. Finally, remember that Facebook continues to rely more heavily on AI-powered targeting over time. Even if manual audience options become more limited in the future, your ad copy, images, and videos should clearly speak to HVAC companies. Strong messaging gives Facebook better signals about who should see your ads and can improve your campaign's overall performance.